But is there any merit in, at least trying to reduce, the
Yes,
scrolling and surfing and the news watching? And if yes, how?
it's a lot. I think it's a lot like cultivating any healthy habit. Junk food, for example, there are advocates that say completely cut it out of your life.
Mm,
And we know that none of us will do that. We may tell
mm,
the world we do, but we don't, right?
mm.
But we learn how to moderate our our junk food eating. So we
Right.
eat it in moderation. We balance it with healthy eating, and we avoid addictive substances. And that's
Mm,
exactly what we need to do with our digital diet as well. So, there's a concept of creating digital hygiene,
mm.
which won't happen overnight, but has to happen across a period of time.
Right.
So, so if we are using the digital world a lot and we're using our tablets and phones and various devices, we need to moderate the amount of time we spend. So you can do small measures like turning off your notifications for news apps on your phone. It
Mm.
may cut down the amount of, concentration or focus you have in that direction.
Right.
You could decide not to use your smartphone as an alarm clock, and if you're not expecting a crisis, you can put it into flight mode and sleep.
Mm.
You can also have short durations of structured time. So, if I share my own example, there are two times when I've been affected really badly with the news. One was when the Taj attacks happened, 26/11. I
Right.
remember I was much younger then, of course. I remember not even sleeping through the night. I would
Mm.
have the TV on through the night as well, right? And it impacted my mood, my general alertness very much. The
Mm.
second time I saw this happen was last year when the pandemic hit us, and I was constantly consuming news.
Mm.
So, and I saw the impact on myself. Being a psychologist, I'm my own laboratory. So
Right.
I check out what happens to me before I go and tell someone else.
Right.
So I found that if I consume news twice a day in small portions, it's much more manageable for me.
Right.
And I have never followed people's advice that say switch off your TV, cut off your TV channel subscription. I'd
Mm.
say no, I can develop that resilience in myself to decide what I can take in and what I can't.
Mm.
So definitely accessing online platforms or TV news, maybe in structured durations twice a day. What's most important is if you're going to become digital addicts, we need to make sure that we don't have too much of news consumption and we balance that out with offline activities.
Mm.
So, cultivating that whole optimism bit, to do that, we need to do the things that make us optimistic, which is gratitude,
Mm.
doing things that help other people, seeking out social support when we are feeling sad or low rather than looking for news to uplift us, searching for people that we can talk to and have very deep, meaningful conversations with,
Mm.
taking care of our health, engaging in exercise and healthy eating. So,
Mm.
all of the things that develop a sense of resilience and optimism, and engaging in offline activities that serve as a substitute, reading, playing board games with the family, cooking, gardening, anything that helps you. So, it has to be two-pronged. You cut down your digital consumption and you increase your offline activities.